Owiti is on the sign language interpretation this afternoon. Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja is appearing before the Administration and Internal Security Committee to answer to questions on war pitting the county and KPLC that led to the dumping of garbage at Steamer Plaza premises. He is now currently addressing. Let's listen in.
So we're in good stead with the commercial issues. We have Intergovernmental Relations Committee. They joined us in that meeting at OP. If we're not able to agree, the last resort will be to go commercial, because I cannot also just sweep under the carpet money owed to Nairobi. Nairobians want services. You keep telling them, Sakaja, remove dimples from the road. Fill those potholes. How will I fill them? If people are not paying their fair share, how will I fill them? Everyone needs to pay their fair share, and especially government to government. I think finally, Mheshimiwa Rosa Buyu, that's the question you're asking, you know. I said it will not happen under my watch. It has not happened. What stops these things from happening is an emphatic statement from the top leadership of the institution. I'm sure all my staff are listening. They know that, and we've always told them, you know, when we came in, we said, our intention is to create a city of order, dignity, hope, and opportunity. When you get an institution that has existed for so long, and staff who have been there for so long, organizational change and culture change takes time. Today, I'm telling you, Nairobians will tell you that the running battles that used to be there between city council officers and hawkers have never happened in the last 2 years. Matatus have not struck once in the last 2.5 years. It used to be every 2 weeks. It used to be every year. The county government, Mheshimiwa Aduma will tell you, there was even a police post in the county assembly. Gunshots, people fighting with chairs. Have you heard any of that? No. Because we said for us to give people dignity, we start internally by changing how we operate, changing how we speak to each other. And so even it might falter once in a while, because you cannot control 20,000 people's behavior. You don't know where they've come from, what stress somebody might have, what happened at home, mental health issues. But you just keep affirming it as you move along that, please, this is not how we do. When I issued the statement last Thursday, I said, this is not how Nairobi does its thing. And that's the leadership from the top. That's why individuals must, answer for what they've done. The county secretary is saying the interdiction being on the same date, I think that must be a coincidence. If you look at the letter of interdiction, it says...
Right, Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja there appearing before that parliamentary